Hi, thanks for joining us today to learn about 3M building protection. This video is part of a series teaching you how you can build smarter with 3M. My name is Forrest Melcher and I'm an application engineer with 3M. There's a lot of ways to prepare a rough opening, and one of the things we want to talk to you about today is our 3015 ultra conformable product. So this tape elongates in all directions, allowing you to detail a rough opening more quickly and with fewer seams. Here you'll see two examples of how to detail a rough opening, one of which is utilizing 3015 UC. As you'll notice, there are fewer seams, no seams in the corners, and as we know, every seam is a vulnerability. In this example, you can see how labor costs are reduced with the utilization of the 3015 UC. Now, it might not seem like much time, but as we know, the larger the job, the more this adds up, and it adds up quickly. Thanks again for joining us today. If you'd like some more information, please visit our website or reach out to your local 3M representative.